talk about one of my recent projects, which actually is a blend of corporate finance and fixed income securities. In particular, we study one of the, I would say, more promising and very popular form of corporation collaborations between corporations, and that is strategic alliances and joint ventures. And as people probably know, is that mergers and acquisition typically people pay a lot of attention to. But what we observe in the last decade or so is that mergers and acquisitions, or we call M&A, are actually on a downward trend. What we observe is the more flexible form of collaborations among companies are strategic alliances and joint ventures. So those provide an alternative to corporations to collaborate or form kind of partnership together. And so what we did is that we look at those type of events, which are very, very popular. We see a huge trend in terms of popularity of those type of events in the past 10 years or so. We study from a bondholder point of view, which are usually ignored, or I would say, yeah, not paid too much attention to, because more attention is being paid to the equity holders. So we look at the bondholders' perspective as to how they look at these type of events and how they affect the corporation and the different claim holders.